There's so many opportunities, so many learning experiences.
Whether they go into field biology or not, that's not the point of this. It's just to provide them an experience to help them grow as scientists, but also as people. My name is Dr. Andy Coleman. I'm Associate Professor of Biology at Talladega College. This is a study abroad program that we started 3 years ago. The main goal of this is to not only give them an opportunity to experience a different culture, different scenery, but to also give them some hands-on experience with field research. And so we have a variety of projects that the students actively participate in, and then they go back to Talladega, they do some data analysis, they write about it, present it, communicate the science that they've done. First project is a continuation of the project that Inspired Adventure started several years ago, using wildlife camera technology to document big cat species of Belize and native mammals that utilize the forest around where we are.
My research is about detecting the presence of jaguars and other native mammals on private lands in Belize. I definitely love trekking through the jungle, changing the trap cameras. Everything was really, I really can't pick a specific thing that I loved because I loved everything about it. It was exciting.
Another project we started several years ago was looking at the turtle populations in Belize.
We process them, in which we take their weight, we check the size, the length of the turtles. We also do notches so that we could see if we actually process those turtles in previous years.
That allows us to answer really important questions from an ecology and natural history standpoint of how fast do they grow, how well do they survive, do they move. This project is contributing some important baseline information to the turtle populations in this area, and I look forward to continuing this project in the future. Another project that is a continuation of Inspired Adventures project is using microinvertebrates to assess water quality in the Saboon River and some other streams in the watershed. Again, to give students hands-on field experience and data analysis that we can use and communicate about the quality of the habitat in the surrounding areas. The last project that we initiated this year and we want to continue for the future is a coverboard study that allows us to monitor native reptile and amphibian species.
We just put wood planks in the forest and wait to some reptiles, some small animals, insects to come and search for home, basically.
We want to expand that in the coming years to Five Blues Lake National Park. That will allow them to better understand the biodiversity that can be found within the park boundaries.
So honestly, I feel like the Belize trip was overall a great experience. My favorite day was definitely the first day we got here when we went to the zoo and kind of just interacted with the animals, seeing that they rescue animals and how they treat them. Just being comfortable and allowing yourself to really embrace the nature and embrace the different research opportunities that you're going to go through.
My favorite experience in Belize, it was learning. Is that don't be scared, be prepared to learn. You're gonna learn a lot.
For me, I learned a lot of things in the jungle. It was brilliant, a little brilliant. But I have a lot, when I say a lot, when it comes to the people, very nice people around, it was amazing.
For me, it felt like I've been here the whole time, like I grew up here and everything. I just feel like it was such an amazing experience to see different parts of the world. And so just be open. It's very educational and you learn a lot of things and be receptive to whatever it is that adventure that we're going to partake in.
Being able to partner with Inspired Adventures to do something like this is very important because, working at HBCU, we don't have many opportunities for research. And so to be able to bring students to a place like this where they may have not have had opportunities to travel to another country to do research is very important, and it would not be possible without this partnership. We always try to stress research experience to our students, to our STEM majors, to help them build a foundation that they can then grow as they move on to whatever they choose to do. And so this opportunity, hopefully they will always remember whether they go into field biology or not. That's not the point of this, is just to provide them an experience to help them grow as scientists, but also as people.